Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Semantic Layer or 42 token on Binance Alpha. So Semantic Layer or 42 token just get list on Binance Alpha. And if you want to buy it, I will show you how in this video step by step. So make sure you watch this video until the end. So first, you can open your Binance apps and you have to sign in first. After you sign in, you can go to your search box here in the top. And then you can type for semantic layer, go to alpha tab here and we'll find it here. You can click it, and this is the charts. So yeah, from the charts perspective, it's not really good because it's quickly done, but this is not financial advice. You have to do your own research. And also you can check the details here by click info here. We will see the 24-hour high and low. And for the volume, it's not bad, it's good, 20 million in the 24 hour. And also there is 1 billion token. Also you can check their social media or their website. You can also check their audit here, you can read it. And if you want to buy it, you can just simply click trade here in the bottom. Then you can choose limit order. You can put the price you want to buy here like this. It's up to you. Also the amount here like this. Also you can choose instant buy. You can swap your USDT or other token to 42. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.